So, would you like to share your screen and please brief us with the question?
Ashish, you'll have to stop sharing your screen for me to
Yeah.
share it.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Please.
Okay, so the question says that we have a 2 by 2 matrix and we need to sort it diagonally, as in you can see these arrows. For example, let's consider this one, 3 2 1 1. So for the answer, we'll have to like make it such as 1 2 3. Similarly, for this case, diagonally it goes 2 1. So in the answer we need it 1 comma 2, and similarly 1 2 3 1 2 and 1. We'll have to sort it this way diagonally. I was able to like manage getting answers for most of the cases, but I failed for a single case. I'll share that case with you too. Mm, okay.
Are you getting a TLE or is it?
I'm just failing for a single test case.
No, are you getting error like timeout or is it you're not getting the correct output?
I'm not getting the correct output.
Okay.
This is the case I'm failing for. I don't know. They said that it's gonna be m cross n array, and this is not an m cross n matrix.
Uh, hey Tanmay, could you just go with your logic and just tell so that we'll know where your logic has gone wrong if it is your logic error?
Okay.
Is it a sort of brute force method?
Yeah, it's a sort of brute force method. What I did was I just iterated over these points. I created an array and just sorted it and returned it to my answer.
So it should be n square log n then.
It's
Suppose n, it will be n square log n.
yeah, it's n square log n. nm log n actually.
Actually, it will
Log
be
n.
n cube. If we consider n cross n, it will be n cube log n
No, no, no.
because
Like,
you will have n square diagonals or n square lines, and for each array it will take average of n log n for sorting.
yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, you could also use the heap sort method. It's n square log n.
No, you have sorry, heap sort log n. So it will heap sort is again n log n
Same.
n
Yeah,
Yeah,
proportion,
yeah,
heap
right?
sort is n log n, but while we are adding to the heap, it gives me the output, right? It's just adding
Correct.
and
But
removal.
there are n square diagonals.
yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
though for every diagonal, I'm iterating on all n square elements, right? And while iterating, I'm sorting them. I'm not iterating any element twice. And at a single iteration, I'm able to sort them. So it's n square log n, if you get me.
Sorry, I'm still not able to understand. So what you're doing is essentially taking all the elements and sorting them out
All the
in the
diagonal
single iteration.
elements?
Yeah.
No.
So in the
Let me share my whiteboard.
sure.
Okay. So what I'm doing is like this is my 2 by 2 array.
Mhm.
I'm sorry, I'm not having a stick. Okay, so I'm actually iterating on this
Mhm.
and sorting this. Then I'll iterate on this. I'll
Right.
sort this. I'll iterate on this. I'll sort this. I'll do the same for this and similarly for this and this.
Correct. So you will do this
That-
activity n square times.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So
And
it will be
each
n
of the-
square n log n, yeah. So it will be n cube log n.
It can also be done in n square login. I'll show you how. Like I have 3 in my heap right now. Okay, I'm having diagonal that is 3, 2, and 1. I go on 3 and I add 3 to my heap. Then I'll go to 2. I'll add 2 to my heap and then I'll call up pp5. It will be like this. Then I'll go to
Right.
1. I'll add 1 and it will call up pp5. It's like
Correct.
1, 2, and 3. That's how my heap's gonna be. So I'll get an
Right.
output that's 1, then I'll get an output that's 2, and then I'll get an output that's 3. So I'm not iterating on 1, 2, 3 more than once.
No, what I'm saying is this log n function of heapification, that will be called how many times? Like you are first taking 1,
Yeah,
it will create
just
an element array.
like wait. I'll consider this to be my diagonal array. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then let's have 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, somewhat like this. Okay, so what I do is I'll for now I'll iterating on this thing. Got it?
The
So
longest diagonal, right?
yeah, for now let's just consider a single diagonal. So I get to 3. I add it to my heap. I have 3. Now I get to 2. I add it to my heap. Now I am having 2. Now I get to 1. I add it to my heap. I'll have my final heap will be like this, right? 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, calling up pp5 and doing its function inside it. So now I just iterated on these ones and I'm having the minimum element. Now what I'll do is while returning this array, I just put this one out. I have 1 at this place, then 2 at this place, and 3 at this place. I'm not iterating twice. I'm just iterating a single time and doing n log n operation.
So this n log n will be done for how many?
For all I'm not
Exactly. Like how many diagonals are there? It will be n square diagonals here.
n square diagonals, but this is not n log n then, right? This is just log n if I'm not wrong.
No, so
It's
heap
not like
sort.
that.
So what you're
what-
saying, you're not iterating it over second time. You are correct. You're not
Yeah.
iterating it second time, but the first time you're inserting it into the heap, you're taking all the elements one by one, and every time you insert an element, a log n operation is performed. And
Okay.
the maximum number of elements in a diagonal will also be n.
Okay.
Right. So that overall complexity for sorting a diagonal using heap sort will also be n log n. So if you go to the smallest diagonal, it will be 1 log 1, then 2 elements, 2 log 2, and then this way the longest diagonal will be n log.
Yeah, 2 elements will be 2 log 2 and 3 elements will be 3 log 2. So I'm just going over n square elements. So it will be n square log n. That's what I'm saying. I may be wrong.
No, I'm talking about the single. Let's take on just a single diagonal, the 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you're saying it's a 3 cross 3 element, 3 cross 3 matrix. Let's assume it's an n element, n cross n element. How many elements do you think will be on the diagonal?
N cross n. N.
N, correct. So if you take each of that element and try to insert it into a heap, every time you're taking one element and inserting it into a heap, you're getting n log n complexity for that diagonal. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Right. And how many total diagonals are there?
N square.
So n square, and let's take the worst case, n square will be, one time it will be 1 log n, 2 log n, 3 log n, 4 log n, and just assume ignore the numbers from log n. It'll be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus till n, and summation of 1 till n is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? Which is n square.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
So because of the log element, it is taking up. Yeah. So I hope you understand that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Right. So essentially it is taking n cube log n, but from the question, what I can see is we can bring it down to n cube only by using counting sort. So if you see the number, so matrix of I and j is limited to 100. So for the each diagonal, we can use the counting sort, which can be done in log, n O of n time. So instead of n cube log n, we can bring it down to n cube only. Just considering your approach and just optimizing the sorting part.
Okay. Anyways, thanks. I'll post it on the platform. You guys may try it.
Sure.
Like I got an error for, I didn't get a TLE error, I got a test case error.
Yeah, you can post it out. Maybe we can try it out, and if you can see where it's
Okay.
because from the approach, it doesn't. It seems like you are on the right track, but maybe there's some nuance, or maybe the test case is not correct.
No, I don't know because there were people scoring full points in that test contest too.